Hello and welcome to your Mind IDE for the first in the basic or pre-university math series. In this series, I'm just going to take math problems that I find online, on social media, different places, and solve them so that we can learn some basic math skills together. So in this particular problem, it's really quite easy. You have 3 root 7s, so 3 root 7 over root 21. Any kind of root like this can be broken up into a product of roots. So you got 3 root 7. Something to cancel with that would be root 3 times root 7. So we cancel those. We've got 3 over root 3. And any kind of whole number like this can be broken into root a times root a, because that is just equal to a. I hope that makes sense. If you have a root of a number times itself, or a root of a number times a root of a number, and they're the same number, it just equals the integer number. So in that case, we can just split this into root 3 times root 3 over root 3, cancel those. So therefore, our final answer is root 3. Thank you so much. It's still a brand new channel, so every subscription really helps out a lot. Until the next one, thank you so much for watching.